Alright guys, in this video we're gonna continue to draw our Cyberfly, and this time it's gonna be a body. I'm gonna make it this big, Shift A, something like this. C to cut, select, right click to confirm, 4 next to the lid, next to the lid, 2 next to the lid, choose the object, alt X to mirror it, to merge halves together. Okay, now Shift A, cut, select object, right click to confirm, 4 to object, X to delete, 2 to curve, alt X to mirror here, merge halves together, 3, Shift A, something like this, angle like this, right click to confirm, C, right click to confirm, X to delete, 2, select curve, X to delete, Shift A, like this, sort of this angle, something like this, C to cut, right click to confirm, X to delete, 2, select curve, X to delete, Shift A, B to bubble, something like this, right click to confirm, C to cut, select object, right click to confirm, 2, select curve, X to delete, 4 to select object, X to delete, 2 to select edge, 7 top view, and we're gonna Shift A somewhere around here, C cut, choose object, right click to confirm, or object, X to delete, select curve, X to delete, Shift A, mirror it, merge halves together, okay, Shift A, hold control, drag it to this place. Now go to this edge, press shift once, so it's parallel to this side, it's something about here, and yeah, and B to bone, yeah, something like this, C to cut, select object, right click to confirm, then select curve, next to the lid, choose 3, and then rotate this surface, rotate, something like this, G, right click to confirm, let's try to extrude it, make it smaller, something like that, yeah, why not, select this surface, show edges, auto set, drag it down there, right click to confirm, 3, Shift B, extrude it a bit, who knows, 2 to select edges, chamfer a bit, select them all to below it, below, rotate, right click confirm, G, close it, and this, right click to confirm, Q, make them as a one object, G, G. You're going to select this edge. And this edge. Alt Shift. Now, right click confirm, select this edge. Should select something like this. Yep. Press 3. Select this face. To select it. Shift D to duplicate it. Right click to confirm. C to cut. 4. Select object. X to delete. And uncheck this. Press 2. Alt text. Select object. Alt text. Mirror it. Merge house together. Let's select this. Hold out. Bevel it. Hold out. Select this surface. Alt select. Something like this. B to bevel. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what we need. So let's alt text mirror. Alt. This. Confirm. Hold out. Big bevel on this one. Fillet. Big fillet. Huge fillet. There you go. That's what I was drawing. But first try was looking like this. We're hiding this one. And we show this one. Alright guys, press 3 on the keyboard. Shift A. Figure on the trigger. Like this. Scale. Something like this. Right click. B for bevel. Right click to confirm. C for cut. Right click to confirm. Let's delete. Extrude out. To select edge. Right click to confirm. Alt Shift. Something like this. Right click to confirm. Beautiful thingy here. And 4. Select this. Select this. Q. Right click to confirm. 3. Rotate. Let's try to rotate. Shift C. Something like this. 3. Shall I just select face, offset, extrude, face, offset, extrude, offset, extrude. I click to confirm, select, offset, I click to confirm, extrude, top view. This is Shift C, D. I click to confirm, G. And this 3, 7. Radial array, center. 5 is 4. Q. Shift select is 5. Right click to confirm. 2. Shift. Seven. Shift C. Center. 4. Select the object. G. 7. Radial array. Where's the center? Right click to confirm. Like these. Like these. 2. Shift select. 2. Select edges. This and this. We need to bevel it this wheel. 4. 1. Rotate. Rotate like this. Right click to confirm. Rotate like this. 5. Yeah, select 35. 35. Confirm. First actually is 45 now. Whatever. GG. Shift. QQ. That's it. 2. Select edge. Alt. Marvelous. 3 to select edge. Next to delete it. And bevel it. Alt X. Mirror. Merge together. Right click. Something like this.